Hello viewers and my dear students. Welcome to projection of points problems, that is demonstration. Projection of points problems demonstration using solid edge. These are all offline video help files prepared by Dr. B. Gurudat, former professor and head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Care Road, Bangalore 4. Presently working as professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Elanka, Bangalore 64. Now, as I've told you, I've already explained projection of points. We have covered everything in projection of points and all that. Now, using solid edge software, how these problems have to be done. That anyway, you know, but it's just a sort of revision for you because these things you would have done in your respective colleges and all that. But still, I'll tell you how exactly to do these problems using solid edge. See here, now there is a problem here, a point P, 40 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP and 50 mm from RPP. A simple problem. This is above HP in front of VP and from RPP. I told you it's clearly above HP in front of VP and all that. It's a first quadrant problem. And this problem has to be done using solid edge. Now I have opened the solid edge. Once you open the solid edge, you see that sheet setup and the background, no, it should be A4. Don't should show, it should not be A2 or something like that. It should be A4 only. You untick this, okay, to show background, save defaults and okay. Okay, that means it should be in this A4 sheet. Don't tick this, background should not be there. Okay, and once you do this, save defaults. Okay, if it is there, no, you remove this and save defaults and then save okay. That means now it is A4 size sheet. Can you see that A4? It will be in this way. It should be compulsorily, it should not have this background and all that. These things are not required. Okay. Once you do this and you immediately go for format style, ANSI MM, modify. In the units, no, you see that it is units is mm, round off to 1. Okay, round off to 1. Secondary units also units m, round off to 1. And text compulsorily you take Times New Roman, regular and font size 4. These are all for dimensions. You have to have this type of thing for better clarity and good drawing. Okay, this Times New Roman, regular, you take that and then say okay and then apply it. Okay, once you apply it, this Times New Roman 4, okay, and all that, the dimensioning and all that will be proper. Okay, now you see here, once you do that, you see here in this tools, see that alignment indicator and maintain relationship is on compulsorily. See that alignment indicator and maintain relationship is on compulsorily. And then if you come to Intellisketch, no, Intellisketch, here under relationship, you see that these things are on, as I've shown you here. Parallel, perpendicular, midpoint, endpoint, intersection point, edit point, and all that. These things are there. You see that these things are there. Okay. Okay. Then under toolbars, no, you see that main drawing views and drawing, these things you have it. Okay, anything you can, I'll tell you how to bring anything. You see here, even here also, you put on the cursor here, any cursor, you put the right button, you main drawing views, drawing and relationship also you can have because it will occupy the screen. That is why relationship right now I have switched off. You can book the relationship anytime. Main drawing views and drawing if you have, you can do most of the problems. Okay. Now using these things, main drawing views and drawing, I'll do the problems here. Now a problem is this. A point is 40 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP and 50 mm from RPP. As I said, above HP in front of VP is a first quadrant problem. Okay. In that way, I'll start with the first quadrant problem system. Okay. Now you see here, draw XY, draw X1, Y1 also. Draw X1, XY and X1, Y1. See that this is This is compulsorily 0.13. These are all an imaginary separation. This is VP HP is imaginary separation between VP and HP. This X1 Y1 is imaginary separation between VP and RPP, since RPP is given. Okay, now what you do know, using the text command, no? Using text command, you have in the text command once you go, okay, compulsorily you take Times New Roman and font size 4. Then only it looks better. Okay, text command, once you click on text command, see that it is Times New Roman 4. Compulsorily you have it. If you have 5, 6 or something like that, you better change it to 4. Then it will be better in the printing. Okay, once you take the printout and all that, it looks better. Okay, now text you go. In Times New Roman 4 you adjust. Don't take any other thing. It should be Times New Roman only. Okay, and 4 you take. And then you see here, capital X, capital Y, VP, HP, X1, Y1, you make it. Okay, then using select command, no, you just do this. This is X, this is Y, this is X1, this is Y1. See here, once you do that, if it is LPP is there, no, you call this as VP, this as HP, this as LPP. Now RPP is given, no, that is why you call this as VP, this as HP, this as RPP. Did you understand? If it is LPP, you call this as VP, this as HP, this as LPP. If it is RPP, you make this as VP, HP and RPP. Okay. Then in that way, you call this as VP, this as HP. Okay. And RPP also, you make it ready. Whatever you want, you make everything ready. This is the basic thing what you do. Okay, VP, HP, RPP, X1, Y1, X5 and all that. Then you know very well, you draw one line. Blindly you draw one line. Okay, as you know, it's a projector line. I told you, this is a projector line. And how much it is above HP, point P is 40 mm above HP. That is why using smart dimension, no, take smart dimension. From here to here, you take it is 40 mm. You change it to 40. If it is 42, you change it to 40. It is 40 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Okay. Now again, just below that only you take. It is actually 41. You make it 30. 40 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP, and 50 mm from RPP. That is why from here to here, okay, if 54 it is, you make it to 50. 50 RP. Okay. Then as you know here, you make this, you know here. Now once you take here, intersection you get, no, intersection of these two lines. From there, you draw one line. You draw one line. Any line, no, any line you draw, and make it 0.13 thickness, 0.13 thickness, and show the angle should be 45, no, 45 for this. You take the smart dimension angle from here to here, it should be 45. Okay, make it 45. Okay, once you do this, okay, now you are getting, as you know here, this point, no, you take it thickness as 2, the point is here, correct? No, end of this point. You see, can you see the end symbol you can see? Okay, this is one point and this is one point. That means this is the front of the point, this is the top of the point. You need the side of the point, correct? No? That is why what I'll do, side of the point if I want, I'll go for the line, I'll project from here. You take from the end, then the nearest point, then you go here, you see the alignment indicator here, you are getting the alignment indicator, you join this. Okay, in that way, if you draw this, okay, then again point command you go, take 2 mm and this should be P double dash. In that way, if you see here, P is the top view, P dash is the front view, P double dash is the side view. Okay, in that way, you see here, this is the top view point, this is the front view point, and this is the side view point. Okay, now P, P dash and P double dash have been drawn. This is X1, Y1, this is XY, this is VP, HP, RPP. In that way, a simple problem on first angle projection has been completed. Did you follow here? Now, once you do this, some of the things, no, you can show some that is some you can make the things more attractive. You see here, once you draw P dash and P, okay, front view and top view, to get the side view, no, I show you the procedure. The procedure can be in the form of a leader, that is showing the arrows. See here, you take this, okay, that means you have gone this way and again gone this way. In that way, you can show the arrow. If you want to show, make the arrow big, you click on this and properties, and if you make it 2 text size, okay, it will be bigger. Even here also, properties 2, and see that arrow field is there. In that way, you can make it this. That means using this, you that is from here, I've gone and touched this 45-degree line, and I've gone to this. As you know already, this the use of 45-degree line, whatever is this distance in front of VP will get transferred here. Okay, because the distance in front of VP is not only parallel to HP but also parallel to RPP. Whatever I have told you already. This 30 mm not only seen in its true length in the HP but also seen in its true length in the RPP also. This is RPP. Whatever is this distance, this will be also this distance. See here, if you measure this, automatically from here to here, if you measure, it will be 30 only. Can you follow? In that way, and that is why whatever is this distance should be transferred here. That is why what I'll do now, if you do 45-degree line here, it will create a square. This is 30 means this will also be 30. And once this is 30, this will also be 30 because it's a 45-degree line. It creates an imaginary square here. In that way, if this is 30, since it is an imaginary square, automatically this will also be 30 and this will also be 30. In that way, you don't have to show this. This you can eliminate because automatically it will be 30. Okay. In this way, that is basic problem on projection of points, I've shown you using SolidLight. You take this and take the file and print option. Okay, print option. You can take the printout of this in A4 size drawing sheet. Okay, this printing and all that, you know, this you can do. And if you see here, there is one more. If you look at this, see here, you have a move command here. If you want to move this to some other position, you can move this drawing itself. I'll just show you. You take this move command. You have it. If you wherever you want, you can move it. This right now you understand till this. Anyway, we'll continue in the next session. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.